Well, howdy, what's happening, hombres? My name is Lomov, and welcome back to Forza Horizon 3. Now, this is the second car of this pack that we're going to be taking a look at. This is the 1992 Toyota Supra 2.0 GT Twin Turbo. Yeah, I know that's a long name, but oh, look at that. We've got wide bodies. You know what? Let's do this. Oh man. Wait, actually, I'm actually curious to see what options are available for this thing. Wait, actually, I'm gonna just go ahead and put the Y body on anyway. Cade's rear-wheel drive. I'm not gonna be putting on any of the engine options because that would be just stupid. Although this, I'm gonna have to go with that one. Now guys, I have never heard of this thing before. I have never heard of this thing. 315s? Okay, those are some fat ass wheels for a car like this if you ask me. Ooh, these ADV1, ADV05C, MV2CSs actually look pretty cool on this thing. You know what? I might actually go off kilter with this car, and I'll actually go for these. Let me just make them about 18 inches. Okay, so how are you guys doing? I'm doing very, very well because I asked my dad. Well, I actually texted my dad if I could get this pack, and he said okay, which meant yes. So, yeah, we're gonna slam this thing. And yes, guys, I am gonna be putting on the roll cage, and also yes, guys, I will be maxing this thing out into a track munching monster, as Tomcat would do to this thing. Is max it out into a track munching monster. Okay, so we're getting a surprisingly big level in this thing. And hopefully it's not too bad, because I wouldn't want it to be too bad. Whoa. Okay. Guys, I'm getting a feeling that I'm going to get a lot of power out of this thing. Okay, so let's see how much we got. 481 horsepower. Wow. For a 1992 Supra, of which this, guys, and guess was the very first generation of the Supra, and we've got that much power out of it. Okay, this is insane. This is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, so now this, guys, is my usual tuning setup, of which I'm gonna make the sway bars fully stiff, but the suspension slightly really soft, so that I can at least kick the car's ass out to the side, so that I can drift this little thing. Well, you can't really call this thing a little thing, because it's not really that little, but it's a little beast. Yeah, that's all I can say about this thing, is that it looks like it's going to be a beast, even though I have not seen a lot of people in these Forza Horizon 3 online server lobbies actually driving this thing. But I, guys, am going to experience this thing's power all for myself, to see just what kind of a monster that I might have possibly just created out of this thing. And now, last but not least, the gears. Let's see, 0.65, 0.77, 0.95, 1.25, and 1.80. And now let's push the gears back and see what power that we can get out of this thing. What power have we got? These top speed. Okay, 201.3 miles an hour. Alright, well, okay, 201.4, it's still going up. It's going up slightly. Okay, 201.5. Let's see what happens when I increase it to 10. 3.50. Okay, it's still stuck at 301. at 201.5 miles an hour. Okay, I guess I'm gonna now just get this thing the like closest to its gears that I can that I possibly can. I don't doubt that it's ever gonna get up to close to about 210 miles an hour, because it's obviously an old car from the early 1990s, which was during the same time when the Dodge Viper first came out. Rest in peace to the Dodge Viper. Oh my God, is this ever gonna end? Oh my God, when are you gonna end 201.5 miles an hour? Jesus, this thing's a little buggy in terms of the speed tuning. Oh wait a minute. Never mind. Hold on. Wait a minute. I think I can round this thing up to its closest speed. Okay, so hopefully I'll be able to get it up. Well, at least down to its. Okay, so there we go. 201.5 miles an hour in this little thing. Oh, the idling. Alright guys, let's see how she sounds. Oh, man, that inline six. Oh my God, let's go. Wow. Okay, the wheels on this thing are pretty far out. Oh my God, this thing can actually fly. Off-roading bitches! Woohoo! Oh shit. Nope. And into the water. Now guys, and now it's the time to get this thing sideways. So yeah, here we go guys, let's get it sideways. Surprisingly hard to get sideways. You know what? I think I should adjust the gears a little bit. I still can't believe that this thing got up to 201.5 miles an hour. Like, that is insane. 201.5 miles an hour in a 1990s car. That is ridiculous. That is insane. Like, okay, what have I done to this thing? And now let's see how this thing goes. That Dodge just boosted me big time there. Smacked into another JDM car. I smacked into my own kind. payback from the Supra. Woo! Okay, so this, guys, is going to wrap it up for the build and review of the 1992 Toyota. For the review of the 1992 Toyota Supra 2.0 GT Twin Turbo. So if y'all have enjoyed this video, then do not forget to always just punch that like button in the face and let me know in the comment section down below what y'all thought of this. But don't go away. There's still more cars yet to come within this pack. And if you're new to my channel, definitely do not forget to subscribe for more so that y'all don't miss another video from me and videos just like this one. And I will see y'all in the next one. Talk to y'all later and happy trails to y'all. And drive safely, mates.